Hey guys, I'm Svenja from Fashion Vista, and in this video I want to show you how you can cut your fabrics from our face mask cutting pattern for this face mask with filter pocket that we just did create in video number 1. If you did miss it, please have a look in my YouTube channel over there in Fashion Vista. You will find how you can do this cutting pattern for the outer fabric, for the filter pocket and for the filter. And now in this video I will show you how to cut it, and I will tell you maybe which kind of fabric you can use and which kind of things you can use for the filter, and a little bit more information. So see you. Hi, here we go. If you did miss out the first video, please do check my YouTube channel, and please make sure that you click the bell over here so that you will not miss any video again. In this video, I will just show you how I will cut the cutting pattern for the face mask with different fabrics or filter material. In this case, I will take for the filter some kitchen paper, double layer, but really feel free to use any filter you want. There's so much tips, and I did create a group for you, Fashion Vista family group on Facebook. So feel free to jump over there and connect with the other people who will sew this face mask, because there are a lot of tips going around and a lot of infos for filter material and statistics about the fabric and all this kind of stuff. So please hop over there and just connect with all of us. Oh, we are not the word right. Yes. So this one is for the filter pocket. If you did miss the first video, this is a filter pocket on our face mask. It's an inside filter pocket, and there we will put the filter in. Of course, because it's a filter pocket. Okay, so this one is for the outside fabric, and for the face mask, I know there's recommended a fabric 100% cotton, because you can cook it. So you have to wash your face mask with a temperature from 90 degrees and above to make sure that after you wear it, you kill all the bacteria and all this kind of stuff that is inside the fabric. Of course, if you use it the whole day or the half a day, all these things are in the fabric that you didn't breathe in. So you do not want to let them stay in there and make them getting babies or something. So you really have to wash it hot, that you can be sure that it is safe for you to wear a face mask. And over here in Germany, we do have different statistics, but all of them, they say that you should not use jersey, because jersey, the holes inside the fabric are much thicker than the holes in the woven fabric. This is like a poplin or something like this. And it should be between 120 and 180 gram per square meter. So this is what I can tell you about the fabric. But of course, there are new statistics coming out every time, so you just have to watch out for it. So now we take this beautiful, beautiful cutting pattern. Isn't it beautiful? I love when my cutting patterns are looking beautiful. So I love to work with them. Well, what I'm doing now, really spectacular, is copying my cutting pattern on my fabric. And I think you can do this easily at home. If you didn't make this cutting pattern on your own, please feel free to hop over to my website. It's linked in the description here, so you can download this cutting pattern in size S, M, and L to print it out at home, and you can just, it's ready to use. You can just start creating face mask. Okay, I think I will put you on fast forward because I will just cut this out, okay? So this is a fabric for the filter pocket, and I will really spectacularly copy it again and cut it out again. I would just show you the filter pocket. So it's here. It's a big filter pocket, and I don't know, I think I talked a lot about this filter in the first video, but it really goes, the filter goes up to here and down to here, so you can fill up this whole mask, because it's so important that really you do not just cover the little space inside here where your nose is and your mouth. If you caught or something, all this bacteria and all this kind of stuff go out here and go out here. So you want to make sure that the filter pocket is big, and even the filter is big too. So, and now I will stop talking and we'll put you on fast forward. Okay, now we will do the paper, the filter, and I do use, now for this example, I do use kitchen paper, as I told you, in a double layer. So it is really, I did see so many ideas for the filters, and I think it is really a good idea to connect with other people. So please just hop over and join our community at Fashion Civista Family. You can find us on Facebook, on Instagram, but we have a special group, our family group on Facebook. So if you want to join us there, we will be really happy. Maybe you have a good idea. I see a lot of things going on there. So what we will do with this filter is we do not stitch this one together in the middle here, because we already have this double fabric over here on the nose and on the chin. So when we do this filter, I will just sew it here so that it will not flip around. The filter will not flip around, and then I would just really stuff it into this mask, so that it is full covered with a filter up to here, but it will not have another double, or this is an 8 time, so to say, stitches over here. You know what I mean? Yes, I think you know, because it will get so thick here and so thick here, and we do not want that, and that is why we just did it like this. Okay, so I hope you will join me in my next video, and it will be about how to sew this so that you will get a really great face mask. So see you there.